Hello friends, Danny here of Danny's Dreams. It's the second of the month, so that means it's time for a new sheetload of cards. If you're new to my channel, each month Crafty Owl from Call Me Crafty Owl YouTube channel puts out a free printable as long as you are a subscriber to her channel called SheetLoad of Cards. It will give you a sketch, the supplies needed, the dimensions, alternatives, and a cutting guide. Fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. Also tells you how many cards it'll make. So everything will be linked in the description box below as to her video debuting the sketch this month, the sheetload this month, as well as that she has a team of collaborators that I am a member of. And this is a hashtag-driven hop. So in my title and also in the description box is a hashtag. Just click on that and up will pop all of the videos sharing ideas using the April 2022 sheetload of cards. They are some crazy talented people, so definitely make sure you do that. And also when you're over on Instagram, we also have an Instagram team, and they are fabulous as well. Sometimes I just am amazed by all the collaboration teams' creations. And on Instagram, all of that information is down in the description box below as well. So you don't want to miss out on seeing any of the inspiration because, I don't know, for me, it just inspires me to create more and more and use these fabulous sheet loads. This month, it is a wonderful Fun Fold Mini Slimline using a 6x6 paper. When I saw Fun Fold Mini Slimline, I was like, what? What'd she do this month? I have to say, this was so much fun, and I loved it. And I absolutely positively love this month. This might be one of my most favorite sheet loads that Alicia or Call Me Crafty Owl has ever put out. It is wonderful. On to what I used today. For my cards today, I used this super adorable Spring is in the Air stamp set from Not Too Shabby. I love these little critters, this rabbit and this little duck and all the little accessory stamps. Too cute for words. And I had originally planned on paper piecing the umbrella, but doing 8 cards with them. I ended up coloring them, but I have a feeling you will see this being used again because I love this cute, cute set. I also used a very old Jelly Bean Soup 6x6 paper pad called Southern Chicken Dumpling Soup. They have the funnest names for their paper pads. I haven't looked for them lately. I'm hoping they're still in business. Everything that I use that I can find, I will link in the description box below. On to my cards. Again, I absolutely loved this month's sheet load. It is so super fun, and then these are so super cute. Let me back up here. So the fun fold is that it opens up, and I did stamp this little image on the inside. So it's just so fun, and it's just so unique, and I just love it. So of each design, I did 2 cards, one with the bunny and then one with the little duck, and they all have the little rain boot with the umbrella in it. And it says spring is in the air, which it definitely is because I have allergies cropping up like crazy. So there's that design, that little duck and that little bunny. And then this one. And then this one. This is the main reason that I picked this paper pad. It was for this fun umbrella paper. I knew at some point there would be the perfect image for it, and I think I found it. So those are my cards for the April 2022 sheetload of cards. Again, I love this stamp set, and I absolutely positively love this sheetload. It is so fun. It's really easy, and I can't wait to create with it again. I hope now that you will click on that hashtag that is in my title and the description box. Go see everybody else's creations. And until my next video, have an amazing day. Thanks for stopping by.